Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make AI portraits with Lensa. So firstly, download the app from your Play Store or Apple Store. So download the Lensa app, and then once you've downloaded it, just launch the app. Okay, so when you launch the app, they'll ask you in this screen here where they're going to ask you what do you want to do with it. So to create AI portraits, you go to select creating avatars. Okay, you go to select this, and then here you can like skip all these steps later on. Okay, and then you can choose some basic questions here. You can do that. All right, so once you're done, you can just skip those, and then it's going to personalize the screen for you. So once everything is set up here, then we can start using and create our AI portraits here. So here you will get into the magic avatar section here. So here what you can do, you can access all the AI portraits in different styles here. So what you have to do is you have to choose your AI avatar style, so what you want to make it. So you just have to choose that. So you just simply choose one of these. So for example, um, let's say one of these. So just say, so for example here, you're going to choose that. Okay, choose a style, and then once you choose a style, hit on continue. Okay, and then what's going to ask you is next is it's going to ask you to conform to the agreements and everything. So hit on continue again, and then now what you have to do is simply you have to upload your photos. Okay, you have to upload for your photos. For it, you need to upload up to 4. You can pick up to 4 photos for male. So if you're male, so you can just tap on it and then add your photos here. So you can select your photo, or you can take selfies if you don't have, if you already don't have the photos. So for example, let's say I'll just choose any 4 here, import it. So just choose those 4. So minimum you need 4, so I'll just do that. So import the photos. Okay, so once you've picked the uploaded the photos, all you have to do is click on start generating. So when you click on start generating, this will generate the AI portraits or avatars for you, but this is a paid subscription, so you need to pay for the avatars. It's a one-time fee, so you go to choose which one that best suits you, and then pay for it and hit on subscribe, and then you'll be able to view or download your AI portraits once completed. So you'll see once completed your gallery of the avatars or the portraits that's been created. You can just tap on any image to download or share it, and that's pretty much it is.